Yeah, she ain't HPHT, but the almost pink twig tape. What for when you really got to score?
Just gotta run your fingers in there to.
Ooh, crunchy. It lasted about 50 hours, so good enough for the girls. Like, we're gonna redo it, and maybe get 60 hours out of her.
5 minutes is good enough, right?
Yeah. Threads are pretty ugly. I was gonna comment on your former girlfriend, not Pamela Henderson, the other one that you took to the beach. And I asked you what kind of bait you used. West Coast fisherman style.
Oh yeah.
Teflon tape.
This is how you guarantee you never have to go back in the bilge right here. Fucking slide your fingernail in there to push it right into the cracks. Show it some love.
And then the Tef gel, and then
go
the silicone.
And then go back up to the wheelhouse and sniff cocaine off of the compass.
Those days are over, my friend.
Tell me about it.
Just right here. It's a bit off.
What are you making?
I am making donuts for the O-rings on the, what's it called?
Fucking nailed it. Check it out.
Oh,
Perfect. 100%.
was that the siren sweet sound of hubris?
Oh yeah, I'm old enough now. It's okay for me to be wrong.
How's that? Oh, that's not bad.
It's happened so many times that it's just kind of everyone's used to it now.
Well, you were mistaken once in the 80s.
Yeah, but we all were.
Anytime now, buddy. Waiting on you.
Mm-hmm.
First you get good, then you get fast.
Exactly.
So when are you going to get good?
Oh.
So what do you think? Some siliconium in there or what?
Silicon carne? Yeah, no sense in,
No.
no sense in gelding the lily.
Yeah, I mean, we've already gone far enough is what you're saying. Okay. I guess.
Yeah, look at this backup ring.
Oh, I mean, it's
The young fella's making 2 more.
standard issue.
Yeah, we should probably go and have about 6 half-dozen beers and he'll be done.
We can't have 6 beers before noon. It's not Friday, man. Why does he have to make more of them?
Well, because there's a slit here.
This is guaranteed to work, right?
This is not a guarantee. White glove operation here.
Careful not to disturb the ring. Oops. That's probably not good.
Not only is the Duke Lock a German virgin routine, good and tight, we also got that slippery German fella, axle grease. Axle grease.
There's always one that's always good and tight, no matter what. Nice. A little more. A little further. Keep going. That's it. And she goes. A little further, Papa Smurf. Oh. It's getting things are getting tough.
Working with you is like working against somebody else. When do you go back to school?
Next week.
Thank fuck. Look at this fucko.
It's going pretty well. It's going pretty well. That's what happens when you're left-handed and you're using right-handed.
Are you left-handed? Oh my god, sinister fucking... Oh. I'm so sorry to make fun of your disability.
Yeah.
Don't ask, don't tell, buddy. Whatever it takes.
But $20 is $20. Does it fit?
With great stupidity comes very little responsibility.
You know, if you fuck something up bad enough, you'll never have to worry about doing it, getting asked to do it ever again.
Exactly. That's
Kind of worked out perfect in my head.
they teach you that.
I bet you get another quarter turn out of her.
Let me just put every last thing I got into this.
Click! Looking pretty goo, other than the young fella. You ask him for a bronze backup ring and he brings you a medieval IUD.
Hey, what's an IUD?
Webster's dictionary defines IUD as love springs internal.